Hey, I'm so excited to show you this new helmet I got. It's a Schuberth. So we are doing the latest and greatest Schuberth E2 Adventure helmet. So just to show you how light it is, I got 2 fingers on this box. So it's pretty light, so it's just great for riding. So let's see what's inside. Ta-da! We have a Schuberth helmet. So I had a Schuberth women's version. Loved it. They say there's a difference between the men's and the women's. I don't know because I don't wear the men's, but the women's version was very light and comfortable. I didn't want to get rid of it, but it is time to replace the helmets. And I have a new Triumph bike, so I kind of want to coordinate things. It's like a great Christmas present. Which this is my Christmas present. It's just to go out and get here. Oh boy. Ta-da! Isn't that so pretty? So, I ordered this for a couple of reasons. One, I think this is a really cool feature for wind dynamics. But the other, see if I can figure out how to get this open. Nice red button. Pops up like that. I really like this type of feature on when I'm riding. But it is a preference. Okay, so it also has, see, I don't know if you can see it on here, but yes, the color shield that pops up now. All right, let's see how it fits. The feature, this ratchet is a little different. So if you can see that, it's a ratchet like, which is really nice when you're riding too. And then the Velcro chin piece. Wow, that went in so smooth. For some people, wearing this under your neck can feel really tight and constricting. This does not. Put my 2 fingers there, but you can ratchet it tighter. The fit around the cheeks and the face is very comfortable. Just pull it in. It's a really nice fit. Easy on, easy off. It's very comfortable, and he was trying to talk to me while I had it on. I could not hear him that well. It's kind of muffled, so it's got some good sound barrier. When you get a new helmet, you do want to wear it around. Keep your on for a while so you can see about if it's comfortable, if it's going to fit, if you need to adjust anything. The thing about this helmet is you can get different pieces on the inside to make it fit better or tighter. I like the fit of this one, and it's just right out of the box. This one is a small. You do want to measure your head before you order it because they're not the same as other helmets. And some of the other brands I might wear a medium, but this one is a small and it's very comfortable. So back to this helmet. I do want to give you a better view of the helmet so you can kind of see it. And it's so easy to latch and unlatch. Well, if it's on your head. But with any new helmet, when you get it, you do want to wear it around for a while just to see if it's going to cause any sore spots on your head or if it gets uncomfortable. Because in most instances, you can return your helmet, but do not take any of the stickers or anything off. your helmet, keep it on, wear it around, see if it's comfortable, because even though it looks great and you put it on for a few minutes there just to try it on, it may not be the helmet for you. So make sure in all instances you wear it around for a little while and then evaluate it and see how you like it. So that's the unboxing of my new helmet. I'm very excited about using it, but of course I have to wear it for a while and give you a really good review about what this is like when I'm on the road with it to see how it feels. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to telling you how it works. Have a great day.